I made a neat find on Craigslist today. Just poking around and typed in a few odd end words like Ryobi and Craftsman and drill and discovered what appears to be a nice deal. I just got back. I haven't tested it, but let's see. What did I get? Had a Ryobi 1 Plus impact driver. The guy said that it was part of a set, but he never used it. They're getting ready to move, so he's getting rid of excess stuff. Impact driver is something I wanted for a long time, and I got one from my brother for Christmas. I've got a video about that. This is probably an older model, but hey, $5. $5. Guys never used it. Still has the paperwork in there, it seems. 1 Plus product guide, blah 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 blah. Get all that out of the way. And here we have the impact driver. Nothing else there. That's nice. We'll stick all this out of the way for a moment. I don't have my tripod right now because oddly enough, I'm in the middle of a move. I'm kind of staying here temporarily. Well, that's interesting. Never seen that before. It's like a little hangy up thing. Fits in where the battery goes. That's kind of neat. I'm sure that will have a purpose. However, I have my own battery. Let's plug it up and what's the point of doing this? I'm not going to point the camera at it. It works. A little sparky action. But that's pretty cool. $5. Didn't have a battery. Not a big deal. I mean, these things are 100 or more brand new with a battery. I can probably get a battery for 40. I already have batteries. It's $5. It's never been used. I mentioned it was $5. That's pretty good. Now I have two. Don't know that I'll ever need it, but now I have two. $5.